Today I shall demonstrate how to download a compact PDF application onto your desktop computer, which can assist you in converting PDF files to various other document formats or converting any document into a PDF file. I will guide you through the process of obtaining this helpful application for your personal computer. For those utilizing this platform for the first time, you will need to log in or sign up. After completing this initial step, proceed by clicking on your avatar icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Once you have accessed the drop-down menu, scroll down until you locate the Download option. Clicking on the Download button will redirect you to a page titled PDF Software Made Easy. As you scroll down, you will notice the availability of a mobile app version, which can be downloaded for iOS devices by accessing the App Store or for Android devices through the Play Store. However, if you intend to use this platform on your mobile phone, you can simply click on the respective option to obtain the app. Our primary focus for this demonstration is to download the application onto our personal computers. Continuing to scroll down, you will observe that the macOS app is currently unavailable. Therefore, we shall skip this option and proceed to the Windows app section. For Windows users, the app is readily available for download. To initiate the download process, click on the prominent Download button. This action will open a new page dedicated to the downloading process. On this downloading page, you will be presented with a set of instructions to follow, guiding you through the steps of opening the downloaded file, running the installation process, and subsequently launching the application. While the provided instructions suggest opening the downloaded file directly, I shall employ an alternative downloader for this demonstration. I will click on the Start Download button, and we shall patiently wait as the application is downloaded onto our system, which may take a few minutes. Once the download is complete, I will return to the previous page and proceed with the installation process. As you can observe, the installation wizard has commenced. You will be prompted to accept the terms and conditions of the license agreement before clicking the Install button. We shall then wait patiently as the installation progresses, although for the sake of brevity, we will skip over this portion of the process. Upon successful installation, you will be presented with the Finish option, which will launch the application. Please bear with me as the application initializes. Here we have the application interface. You can further explore the website associated with this application where you will find a login option. Clicking on this button will enable you to log into your account, granting you access to the application without the need to navigate to the website or search for it on Google. That concludes the video demonstration. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below, and I will be happy to address them. Thanks for watching.